My name is Leonard Stijn. I'm the custodian for every angle within Heineken International. I'm responsible for the governance, training and implementation and rollout of new every angle systems within Heineken. 5 years ago we started with the Netherlands and now we implemented every angle in Egypt, in Nigeria, in Russia, in Romania, in Hungary, and a lot of other operating companies are in the planning to be rolled out. Heineken is not only famous because of the one beer that probably everybody knows, but around the world we also have a lot of other brands, local brands, but also in the coffee part, in the wine part, in the energy drink part and in the soda part. Heineken is a worldwide organization and we are dealing in a kind of market that needs to be flexible, needs to act when it's needed. So you need to empower the business with their own report requests. That's a good example where every angle has added value, because then you can have some kind of self-service BI that the user can create their own reports to continue what they need to do. Before we used every angle, we had the challenge that we needed some data from our systems. And some people were using Excel, some users were downloading with SA16 directly from the table, and that was not acceptable. What we saw is that the users that are using every angle, they get a better insight into the SAP process. We are using every angle for almost every process that we have. We started, of course, in the logistics part, and now we're making the step to the financial part. Last year we started with Heineken. Heineken is a project that I did within the global organization. Heineken is simply making use of every angle. That's showing the operational processes where we can improve some things. In this case, we analyzed the purchase orders, the sales orders and the work orders. And with this project, we could show the operating companies where they can save a lot of money and improve their processes. And we did that with a budget of 0 because we already had the tool. And the only thing is that the operating companies needed to provide some people that could really close the open purchase orders or the sales orders or the work orders. Every year, Heineken is doing a survey with all the operating companies around the world about our services that we are delivering to our operating companies. One of the services that they can rate is the every angle service. When I started at Heineken 3 years ago, every angle was rated as the 4th of all those services that we're providing. And right now we are the 1st place of all those services. SAP is not very famous because of their reporting in their own SAP system. In my opinion, every angle has an added value in replacing those reports that you cannot do in SAP. Every angle is a quick tool to extract the right data out of SAP, to improve business processes and to empower the opcos with self-service BI.